If you are using ChatGPT only for your college work or creating images, you are wasting one of the best teacher available in today's world, ChatGPT. Seriously, most people think ChatGPT is just an AI chatbot. For the last few months, I have been using ChatGPT for improving my English almost every single day. And the best part is, it is available 24 into 7 hours. It never gets tired by your questions. It never judges your English. कि आपकी इंग्लिश उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं. So in the next 5 minutes, I will show you exactly how I use or how you can use ChatGPT to improve your English, even if you are a beginner. The biggest mistake most students make is very simple. Whenever they use ChatGPT, they type everything in Hindi. For example, मुझे कॉलेज के लिए 200 वर्ड का प्रोजेक्ट लिखो and all type of question they ask in Hindi. Now imagine doing this every single day. Are you using English learning software like ChatGPT? You're never actually using it. यही तो सबसे बड़ी mistake है. If you are really want to improve your English, then ChatGPT should become an English practice partner, not just your homework machine or not something that can help you instantly. Now, if someone is watching this video doesn't know about ChatGPT, कि ChatGPT है क्या? Let me explain in just 10 seconds. ChatGPT is an AI assistant where you can ask almost any question. You can get an explanation of any topic. You can go more deeper in a topic. You can write an email. You can prepare for an interview. You can solve any type of question, generate images, and yes, you can even learn English step by step. For example, instead of asking, how can I learn English? Most of the people say that English कैसे सीख सकते हैं and all type of question. Ask, create a 30-day English speaking plan for a beginner who can understand English but can't speak fluent or confidently. Within seconds, you will have a complete roadmap to learn English. Now let me show you easiest habit that can completely change your English. From today, whenever you have any question, just ask that question as it is what's going in your mind. But you have to write that question in English. हिंदी में लिखोगे तो उससे होगा क्या? You will get just your answer. You are not learning English. Just type whatever English you know. Instead of writing एक project बना दो. Instead of writing मेरे लिए ये लिख दो. Instead of asking इसका आंसर बनाओ. Instead of asking write a 200 essay words, you can simply ask, can you explain this question in simple English? Instead of asking मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा or something like that. If you're facing any problem with that, right? Can you explain this like I am a beginner, I am a new, I don't know much about it. See the difference here. Every time you ask a question in English, you're practicing English without opening a grammar. And here's something most people don't do. After using ChatGPT, it gives you an answer. But what most of the people do, they stop there. You don't have to stop there. Read the answer slowly. Notice a structure. Notice the vocab. Notice the grammar. If you don't understand a word, simply ask, explain this word or this particular line in English with easy methods. Or ask, correct my English if my English is not good. You can even say, talk to me like a friend, help me improve my English speaking. It will continue the conversation with you. That's free. The more conversation you have, the better English becomes natural. By doing this all, you're not just getting your answer. Three things are getting automatically improved. First, your reading. Second, your writing skills. And third, your speaking. And slowly, you will start thinking in English instead of translating from Hindi. That's the real goal. So here today's challenge. For the next 7 days, don't ask a ChatGPT a single question in English. Ask everything in English, even if your English is wrong, because making mistake is a part of life. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to this channel. I will keep making video like this that actually works. I'll see you in the next video with different topic. Thank you for watching this video.